Hi, it's Dan from Town Equipment, and today you're going to learn how to use the 4-inch wood chipper, gravity-fed wood chipper. So I have 3 different sizes of branches laid out here, so you'll know what to expect. I'm first going to show you how to operate it without running it so we can hear each other, and then I'm going to do a live demonstration. So it's very easy to operate. You simply start it and rev it up, and it'll automatically start turning, and you'll be ready to chip it. So you're first going to need to decide where your chips are going to go by rotating the chute. Just pull up on this lever and you can turn it 360 degrees. So you aim it at, in this case, a wheelbarrow. You don't want it to go this way or that way because that's where you are and that's where the engine is. It could be a fire hazard. You want to aim it away from the chipper. So you can either cast it by doing that, you raise the deflector, or you can pile it by dropping the deflector. In this case, we're going to aim it in the wheelbarrow. So when you operate this, before you shut it down, you're going to want the material to clean itself out so it'll run dry before you shut it down. If you don't do that, you could end up either clogging it or jamming it. When you go to start it again, it won't start because it'll be jammed. If you happen to do that, it's not difficult to get it cleaned out. All you need to do is turn the chute in this direction and come over here, and you take out this bolt. You would need a 3/4 inch wrench or socket. You remove this bolt, and then this chute has a hinge, and you just open it and you can get whatever it is out of there. Okay, so we're going to put it back to that position. I'm going to show you where the fuel tank is. The fuel tank is here. It takes 30 liters. It uses 91 octane straight gas. Okay, and we're going to go through some safety things as well. Chippers are live moving things. You're going to keep your hands away from the inside here. You're just going to put the material in, and if once it pulls, you're going to leave it go. Okay, you're going to be careful around the engine because the muffler could get hot, so you don't want to touch it, you don't want to lean on it, and you don't want anyone else around it. When you're operating this machine, you want to make sure that nobody goes in the cast area, because even though a chip hitting you would not be harmful, if a rock or something like that ends up getting in there, it could hurt, and it could injure you if you get hit by a rock going through a wood chipper. So please know what's in your brush pile. Make sure there's no fence wire, no rocks, nothing that's not wood. Okay? So having said all this, I'm going to start it and run it and run some pieces through so you know what to expect. So come over here. So to start it, you're going to pull the choke full. You're going to turn it on, and you're going to raise the throttle a touch, and you're going to start it. When it warms up, you're going to push the choke in, and you're going to rev it up, and everything will start to move and rotate. Okay, so now I'm going to do this. hear that it's still turning, that means that it's clean, and then you could start it easily. And the final product is